solving the practical on determination of melting point and boiling point. For the determination of melting point or boiling point of any organic compound, we need some apparatus in which first is a Thiel's tube. First is a Thiel's tube. Next one is thermometer. Next is a capillary tube. Capillary tube for determining the melting point of any solid substance, or fusion tube for the determination of boiling point of any liquid organic compound. Next, this is the paraffin oil, and for the demo we are giving a one organic compound, that is benzoic acid. In this first determination of melting point, we need to first seal this capillary tube. Seal the capillary tube. Look here how to seal the capillary tube. In this way, we are seal the capillary tube. One capillary tube having two openings, start and end, and we need to seal the capillary tube with the help of burning. Now, after that sealing of capillary tube, fill the capillary tube with the organic compound. Fill the capillary tube with the organic compound like this. Fill the organic compound in a capillary tube like this way. Next, fill the Thiel's tube with paraffin oil. Fill the Thiel's tube with paraffin oil. This is the paraffin oil. Most of the time in examination or any external ask the question, why only paraffin oil is used for the determination of melting point or boiling point. The answer is paraffin oil is having the highest melting point compared to other organic compounds. So that's why we are using the paraffin oil. Set up the Thiel's tube like this with the stand. Next, the capillary tube which contain the organic compound is tied with the thermometer. Like this. Now, adjust the thermometer in a Thiel's tube. The compound or organic compound which is contained in a capillary tube must dipped in a paraffin oil. Like this. We need to adjust the stand. One minute. Like this. Look carefully, the organic compound is dipped in a paraffin oil. Yeah, yes. The organic compound is dipped in a paraffin oil. Now, heat. Now, give the heating continuously. Now, give the heating continuously. With this manner, the heating gives to compound until the compound is melted. Until compound become melt. The solid, our organic compound is solid in nature, and while we are giving the heat to the heat, then the compound should melted, and we need to note down the temperature from thermometer. So give the heating continuously. This organic compound is benzoic acid. This is the organic compound is a benzoic acid. So, give the heating continuously up to the compound become melted. At that time we need to note down the temperature. Vapors or bubbles are ignited from the capillary tube. The temperature range is at the temperature range 120 degree, the compound become melted. Look here, the compound, the temperature range is 120 degree. The melting point of benzoic acid is 120 degree. Repeat the procedure for 3 times. Repeat the procedure for 3 times.
Okay, pause.